Wow, ladies and gentlemen, once more, this is MC Omyomyo, and from time to time, MC Omyomyo will be giving you guys what I call MC Omyomyo gists. It's good to gist, okay? I'm not talking about gossip. I'm talking about gist. I love gisting, okay? All right. Today we shall be talking about something that was very popular in this country at a particular point in time. Whistleblowing. Oh boy, this country is blessed. There was a particular time where whistleblowing was the order of the day, whereby if you know that your landlord is having a illicit affair, you just blow whistle. If you know that your governor is not doing things right, you blow whistle. People were just blowing whistle now. Whistle, at that point in time, whistle became very expensive, my brother. Whistle that formerly we could buy 50 naira, 100 naira, whistle now enter 5k, 10k, 50k whistle one day. And China, China, those guys. China, in fact, I don't know what to say. One thing about China is that anything that they have grade of things they do. China enter Nigeria, they change Nigeria to Chinatown. A place in Nigeria became Chinatown. China entered into the houses of Igbo men. Most of their children, their names now changed to China names. We now have China Gorom, China Edu, China Ato, China Emeze, China everything. You understand? Now, some of those things are fake. Some of those things are fake. So back to the whistleblowing thing we're talking about. When this whistleblowing now became very popular, my brother, some whistle you buy, fake whistle. Some whistle, you want to blow whistle so that, normally if you blow, if it's a correct whistle, there are some whistle you blow, EFCC will come. That's the main whistle. But some of those fake whistles, we blow whistle, ordinary police go come say, bros, find me something. Police no go solve your problem. There's a particular whistle that one of my guy blew. As he blew, na dog come. Now what kind of whistle will you blow that dog will come? Later on I come discover that my guy na Calabar man. When Calabar man blow whistle, na dog will come. So people were just blowing whistle up and down, left, right, and center. So if there's some whistle you even blow, now last man go even show. But now whistleblowing era is gradually getting off the Nigerian face, And no wahala. We'll see you next time in MC Omyomyo Gist 2. Take care of yourself and God bless.